Hey folks, Ryan Nocera here from Precision Trading Labs, and I'm just continuing my stretch here of short couple minute videos here looking at some of the symbols you guys ask for, either through DM or things I can't get to in the community. Like in the trading community, I run along with my business partner Mitch. I can't get to some of the symbols that we're not actually going to set trades up, where I'm just doing analysis. So I'm going to take a little time today when I don't have the kids at home and kind of look at some areas that I think are good supply and demand areas that either worked, and then one that's going to work I hope is going to work in the future. So, like I said, I'm not going to be trading this. I don't trade Natty anymore, but I wanted to show this off. You'll see here, price kind of came down on Thursday into Friday. From this little supply area here, you'll see price came up, tapped out. We got a little bit of a bearish candle, and then when this opened up, boom, really just a nice drop there. But here's the problem. When that happened, that it dropped into this demand zone here. Let me clean that up a little bit. Sorry, guys. When price drops into that little candle there, you'll see it reacted and shot right straight up. And then we got the move down, right? So we have demand, supply, price coming down. Price did pierce it up at the top end of that trade. That's not the biggest deal, especially if you were trading something like this, which I don't have a lot of students that trade the weekly levels on natural gas. Maybe now that there's the micros. There's some people might be, but there is that little pierce there. Then price is coming down a little bit. Now let me show you what this looks like on a daily chart, where there might be something here for us to work on. Let me take some of this stuff off because it's going to get in the way of the daily. Okay, so here's where we closed on Friday, right? So right below there, when the futures open up Sunday night, right there, looks like you see price kind of shot up, traded sideways, and then just rocketed out of there. So this is going to be an interesting level if price gets there on Monday. Excuse me, Sunday night, Monday, and it can happen anytime. I'm just saying we're not too far from that, so I could see it happening earlier in the week and then see if it rides it up. So like what I'm expecting, if it does work, right, is something like this, where price kind of gets in there, shoots up. This is a really long wick here at that previous high at 9752. Wouldn't be shocked if it got there. If I was really trading this, like I had my own money in it, I'm more of an in and out kind of trader, like risk one, make three. I'm not big on these long holding periods. But I could see this thing starting to run. But you do have some factors working against you. If we I guess we are in an historical definition of a recession, no matter what the White House tries. But take a look at this. Look at those previous weekly levels. This is kind of the next area where I would expect price to bounce on natural gas. Take a look. Happy to talk about it, see if I'm right or wrong. If you'd like to discuss more about how to learn or how we trade and how you want to learn how to trade, go ahead. My calendar link will be in the description. And happy to have a Zoom call and talk to you a little bit more about that. But for now, please, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel here, and talk to you guys soon.